How to fix Messenger not working. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, you will find all the apps. Search for Facebook Messenger, click on first stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back, click on the internal storage or the storage, click on clear cache. Go back again to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode and after 3 seconds disable it exactly like this. After that, what you want to do next is just restart your phone and the problem must be solved. If it's not, then you may have to remove Facebook Messenger from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.